Well, it's very exciting given the fact that there are a lot of people in the same sector, and we'll be talking about how digital banking is evolving. So I think there will be very, very nice interactions. Well, I think at the end it's not just one technology. It's the fact there is a combination of several different technologies which are impacting all together. So it's quite tricky. Okay, because you can think, okay, artificial intelligence for sure, but if you really want to exploit artificial intelligence, for instance, you need an underlying open platform, an underlying open data architecture, and so there's a lot of work to do and to be done by the banks. Well, I think the expectations are customers now are being used by, the Amazon, the Apple, etc. So the expectation is to have something which is really personalized, which is 24/7, easy to use, but also more really personal, so contextual. It's not just having a message here and there or making a transaction or even a suggestion. It's something which is deeper and where the banks, they really need to prove that they understand the customers. And obviously, they have to then have an operational efficiency, such as everything is very smooth, very nice, very easy, 24/7. So quite tricky as well. I think in the very long term, financial services, banks and financial companies, they will be not alone in the market. So there will be other players coming from outside sectors or the famous GAFA, so the Googles and the Apple, which already started to invade the sector, starting from transactions. And so there will be more competition, which is coming not from the same environment, and with probably a much smarter architecture behind behind the scenes, and with a different size as well. So it's a new competition that they have to face. On the other side, they have a lot of trust. They still today can capitalize on a lot of trust for customers when it's about money. So they need to understand how to make the most out of that, becoming more modern, efficient, 24/7, smooth in the relationship with the customers, mobile, and that's the way to win the competition. Yeah, I mean, ebankIT with as well as other FinTech providers can provide sometimes very good off-the-shelf technologies. So banks, they don't have to build everything by themselves from scratch. So there is a lot of things which are already, let's say, ready-made or at a certain level of development that can be customized. So it's about being faster, and I think being fast is something that will be more and more required in the future because of the competition that I was saying before. So the decision cycle and the time banks will have to put the things and bring the things into the market, so to mainstream, has to be shorter. And so one of the key points is to get most of the technology by players like ebankIT off the shelves that can fasten up the innovation cycle and the way to go into the marketplace.